Okay. This looks like a normal cheesy pancake. Golden edges. Soft middle. A little cheese hiding inside.
But this lunchbox pancake has a secret.
There is cauliflower in here. And the real question is not whether cauliflower is healthy. The real question is whether it can disappear well enough that a picky eater actually takes the first bite. Today, I will investigate whether cauliflower can hide inside a lunchbox pancake without causing suspicion. And honestly, this one is risky. Because cauliflower has a reputation. So we are not serving cauliflower. We are investigating it. First, cooked cauliflower. Soft. Steamed. Completely harmless. But before it goes into the mix, we need to deal with the biggest problem. Water. Cauliflower holds a lot of moisture, and if we ignore that, these pancakes turn soggy. So we pat it dry. Really dry. This is not a tiny detail. This is the difference between a lunchbox pancake and a sad vegetable sponge. Now we mash it. Not chunky, not obvious. It does not fight the cheese. It does not take over the pancake. It quietly brings fiber, vitamin C, and folate into something that feels familiar. All of that hidden inside something that looks like a cheesy pancake. Now we add 1 egg. The egg helps hold everything together. A little cheese. This is the disguise. A little flour. This gives structure. Baking powder. Just enough lift so the pancakes feel soft, not heavy. Tiny pinch of salt. And now we mix. Look at this batter. It does not look like cauliflower. It looks like lunch. Now, small pancakes. Lunchbox size. Small food feels safer. A child who says no to a big strange thing might still try a small golden pancake. 1 spoonful into the pan. Press it gently. Not too thin. We want soft inside, golden outside. Now listen. That sizzle is important. The golden color is not just pretty. It is trust. For picky eaters, color matters. Texture matters. Smell matters. If it looks familiar, they are much more likely to try it. 2 to 3 minutes each side. Flip when the edges look set, and there it is. Golden, soft, cheesy, completely innocent. I am Sprout, and I will see you in the next investigation. Wait. That is yummy. Know what is inside. Cook with purpose. A full recipe card is on screen now. Save it, try it, and tell me. Did your kids notice? And what secret ingredient should I investigate next?